are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Today I'm going to bring you a DIY craft desk organizer. Go ahead and get right into the tutorial. These are materials that you're going to need. Organizer basket, 2 orders of it, okay? Because they come in 3 in a packs. You need 6 in all. Some cable ties, another organized basket. You're going to need a 5x7 picture frame, magnetic box, picture frame, cooking pan, cooling rack. And you're going to need 2 of these. Mobile hooks, 2, a cake pan, and 1 marble. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. We're going to need our cooling rack, and we are going to be manipulating it, curving it into the position that we need it to be. So you're going to lay down, and then we're going to fold this piece up right by this line here. I'm going to do the same thing for this side as well. I did both of these beforehand. I also paint mines. I paint mines rose gold. Now that you have both of these bent, we're going to put that aside. We're going to get our cooking pan, and I also spray painted this rose gold because that's the theme I'm going for. What I'm going to do is rotate my camera so you guys can see a better view and how I'm doing this, okay? All right, let's go ahead and put these 2 together. So you're going to get your 2 cooling racks. So let's get our cable ties. Let's go ahead and do that. Attach one to the top, one right here, one right here, one right here. And then I'll do the same thing to the other side as well. All 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll do the same thing with the other side as well. Let's go ahead and get our cooking pan. We're going to be putting this down right over here. Again, you want it to have that perfect fit, and we're going to be gluing that down in place. Some E6000 glue gun on top of here. And then we put some on here too as well. This would help to mark it so I can be able to put the glue where I need to put it. So I'm going to put some glue on there too. Mark it around. Once that's finished, we're going to be adding some things to it. Let's go ahead and get our baskets. I went ahead and paint mine white. These are the latch, so you can hook it onto here. And it hooks onto there, but it's not strong enough to hold it in place, so we're going to have to put some cable ties on there. So what I did was made a hole in the center right there for each and every one of them. I had gotten an owl. Put a hole right in the center. Go ahead, and we're going to be putting these on here. So we're going to put one right here, put one right here. That hole that we did. And then you're going to do it for the one here, 2 on this side, and then we put 4 on that side. Baskets here. To the side, I put 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next step, we're going to be needing a picture frame, and we're going to be putting this on this side, the back here. We're going to be placing it right here. Before we place it on here, we'll need, I forgot to mention, this adhesive cork sheets inside of this frame. So we're going to cut it out and put it in the frame. And guys, I place it in there. I also removed the back of this, and we're going to be mounting this up here. We're just going to take our removable hooks, we put it in the back here. And we're going to flip it upside down. We're going to place it like this. It's going to sit right there like that. That side is finished. So we're going to rotate it. And we're going to come around, and we're going to do this other side here. We're going to be putting pencil holder, spray painted rose gold as well. I'll put this right here and then this right here. And with this picture frame, we're going to put some chalkboard sticker. And I'm going to place that in here. And then we're going to mount this up and that up as well. All right, I just finished I put cable tie right at the top and middle. So far, this is how it looks. And there. other basket right here to fill in that little gap and put that right there. We don't have to hook this on there at all. You just sit like that. And I have these little magnet blocks. Let me see here. And so far that's how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and do our lazy Sue. Go ahead and put the stuff to rotate this. On there. Just need the cake pan. I'm gonna be putting that right in the center of this. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna fill this up because I have some of these. I'm gonna fill it all the way up. I'm gonna spray paint the bottom of these. So now we just decorate this. Let me go ahead and decorate it, guys, and show you guys afterwards how it look, and then we finish with the project. Okay, y'all. Just want you guys to see this finished results. And now this is how it looks. So let me rotate it. It is compact with a lot of stuff, guys. So I was happy with this. It's beautiful, I love it. And so, of course, this is to add sticky notes to whatever it is that you want to remember or jot down. And then we have I have glue sticks in here, markers and stickers, as well as stickers back here too. Comes out. And I have some glitters at the bottom here. And then I add a few clip binders in there. And then this is just a little note for me to write little notes just to encourage myself, or just something positive. And all my pens is in here. And I have my little mini journal in here. And washi tapes are over here, and my double-sided tapes are over here. And then I have my scissors up here. And then inside of here, I have my journals. Look how it's compact with so much storage, guys. So much storage. I think it's beautiful. I love it. The fact that it rotates. So I was happy, very happy with the results. I thank you all so much for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.